In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your Notion workspace. This straightforward, quick setup can enhance your security and ensure your Notion account remains protected. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Notion. Open your web browser and type in Notion's website URL or simply use your bookmarked link. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the prompt to enter your login information. Just fill in the usual details and proceed to log in. Once you're logged into your Notion account, you'll be directed to your home dashboard or whichever page you were on last time. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the settings button. Go ahead and click on that to access your account settings. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with your settings panel because this is your hub for all account related changes. After clicking on settings, a menu will appear containing various options related to your account and workspace. From this settings menu, you'll need to select your profile name. This typically comes up as one of the first options and might be presented alongside your profile picture or icon. Clicking on your profile name will lead you to a new set of options specific to your personal account settings, which will allow you to manage certain security features, like the password setup we're getting into right now. You'll now see the option Add Password on your screen. Click on this option to proceed. Setting a password is an essential step for keeping your data protected. Even if you have two-factor authentication, a solid password adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Once you've clicked on Add Password, you'll see a text box where you can type in your desired password. This is where you'll need to make a careful choice. Ideally, use a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to boost security. Remember, the more complex your password, the harder it is for anyone to breach your account. Nevertheless, just make sure it's something you can remember or store securely in a password manager. Finally, click on Set a Password to complete the process. Congratulations! Your Notion workspace is now secured with an additional password, adding a critical layer of security to your digital life. That's all there is to it. Simple and effective. Remember, keeping your information secure is vital, and configuring your settings could save you a whole lot of trouble in the future. Thanks for joining me today and hope this guide was useful for you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on all things tech.